welcome to Some Things Cooking with Alpa, and today we are not making any recipe. Instead, I'm going to show you a foolproof method of how to boil the eggs perfectly. Also a method in which the shell of the eggs comes off easily. So without any further ado, let's make your kitchen your family's favorite restaurant by boiling some perfectly hard boiled eggs. And guys, if you do like my recipes and my videos, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and then click on the bell icon, very important, so that you do not miss out any of my future recipes, and it's free. So why wait? And now let's proceed. So guys, for this recipe, all you're going to need is some eggs and water. That is about it. Also, you might be wondering why I've kept the eggs upside down. Usually they are like this, but I've kept them upside down. That is because I want the yolk to go in the center. This does help in the yolk going in the center. Also, my eggs, not my eggs, but these eggs are at room temperature. And now in a pot, I'm going to start placing the eggs gently. And then add enough room temperature water that they drown the eggs. And then turn on the flame on medium. And once the water starts boiling, then I'm going to put a lid and then set a timer for 1 minute. And after 1 minute's up, I'm going to turn off the flame and keep the eggs as it is with the lid on for the next 10 minutes. 9 minutes are up. So now it's almost time to remove the eggs. So now let's prepare for that. So I'm taking few ice cubes, and to that I'm going to add some cold water. And once the 10 minutes are up, I'm going to add the eggs in this cold water and give them a cold water bath. Once the eggs are cooled off, let's remove them and gently bang them on the counter so as to break the shell. And see how easily and seamlessly the shell is coming off, leaving us with smooth surfaced boiled egg. Now the moment of truth. If the eggs are boiled perfectly, then the yolk will be nice and yellow. And that ugly dark ring on the yolk surface that you get many times while boiling won't be visible. So let's slice it from the center and see how beautiful the yolk is looking. Not one trace of that ugly dark color on the ring of the yolk. It's just perfect. So guys, next time onwards, use this method to make perfect boiled eggs. I've been using this method for many years and it has never failed me. So make your life easy. Use this method to boil the eggs and use the cold water bath method to remove the shell. So I hope you enjoyed spending time with me, guys, and please do subscribe. Just click on this link over here. And if you do like this method or recipe, I'm sure you're definitely going to like this link as well as this one. So do click on these links and I will see you very soon. Meanwhile, take care. Bye-bye.